We're barking up the wrong tree here, boys.
One's on the back side of the house.
Knocked one.
Oh, I got one on me and I didn't even know where the fuck he's coming from.
Oh shit.
Told you we went to bark the wrong tree.
Dude, what the fuck?
Oh, we're in trouble.
Angel, hold up, I'm gonna break. Hold on. Hold on, bruh.
Bro, me desespero, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Oh, he got in the box. It's a Travis Scott.
I got a rocket launcher. I got a rocket launcher.
One's way over here, Angel, one's way.
To your left.
I knocked one.
Oh my fucking... This guy's white, bro. The guy that's just going outside right now. He's freaking white.
Outside right now.
Dude, I'm fucking
Angel, do me the favor and come get me, yeah?
Whoa, where are we getting shot from?
Right there, that guy's white. That guy's white. That guy's white.
Oh, dude.
He's right here in the box where he killed Angel, right there. If he had minis, he's gonna get minis.
Yeah.
Good calls.
Pick up my card, Martinez.
Where's your card at?
Yeah, pick up my card too.
Hold on, I'll go for Christians and you go for Angels.
We can all get rebooted
Oh,
off Holly.
I see people at Holly, they're coming this way. They're fucking coming this way.
Oh shit.
You guys don't have a launch pad?
I do. Falcon's card's in the
place
middle
the
of the
launch
sky though.
Oh.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, we should go to Holly.
Launch pad.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm getting shot out of the sky though.
Oh, hell no.
There's somebody in the fucking tree too.
What?
Gee, turn around.
No, I'm not turning nowhere. I'm gonna keep fucking going.
No, dude. What the fuck did we just do, bro?
Hey, we're still alive. We might have this. I'm coming,
Come on, Michael,
G.
you got this, bro.
Let everybody else fight, yeah?
Let's go, let's go. The bad thing is that we're not gonna have shit.
Well, it's only you because we weren't able to get Christian's card. Oh, fuck, dude.
Oh, dude. Oh, there's loot there.
Anthony.
I feel like we should just camp it, bro. Oh, there's
I know, but
packages.
there's 10 people alive, so...
I'm using
There's
medkit.
packages towards our side.
Martinez.
See,
Check to your
senor.
left.
Yeah,
Big pot.
good
I'm
call.
gonna keep coming. Angel, there's a... AR right here.
Do you guys got
I
ammo
know.
for it?
Go to the kitchen.
Yes, if you
Tenemos
come
una
to me.
cerveza de que dice mango.
¿Y a mí por qué no me das, chingados?
What about SMG and shotgun?
Yeah, here.
Someone took fall damage.
Hurry! We don't got time to mess this up, bro.
I'm gonna go get the fucking packages real quick.
Oh my god, that's probably gonna be a bad decision, bro. As I see a helicopter going that way.
Wait, no. They're going back.
You over here? And the... Oh, who has a sniper?
Like,
I do.
right here.
Shooting at the helicopter.
They're gonna come and push us, just watch.
They are.
You missed.
They're getting a llama. It's only two of them. They have a
Drink
chopper.
that, Angel. Michael, you're not with us.
I know, I'm slowly moving that way.
Can I have the mini that you have, G?
Bruh.
Your only mini, bro.
Yeah.
Ooh, shit. Coming. Glider. Ooh, glider on this other package.
Started for 25. Started for 25. Can't hit my shots.
Wow, Martinez.
Right? The bloom on this one is just terrible. Another glider coming
Just
in.
one guy.
Nope, second guy's here now.
We're fighting one person.
Hey, there's only 6 people left.
What's
Are you
up,
going?
Martinez? Nice.
24 shield, 2 up
24.
Hey,
here.
white. Hey, he's white. He's white. He's white.
Oh
That'd be
shit.
racist.
This guy's gonna snipe. Did he leave? He's in the water? Angel, watch out, cause there's people over here. Hey, it's 3 of us against 2 of them.
Where did it go, Falcon? Where did that bullet go?
17 feet behind us.
3 against 2, 3 against 2. I'm gonna get
Are those
these,
the 2? Oh shit,
yep.
okay.
Hey, I got a launch pad.
throwing
Don't push him.
decoys. Why not?
Because your decoys are coming back to you.
They scared or where? Cracked him. 30-61. He's cracked. Oh, he launched. He's taking the. Okay,
Oh, he's coming at you.
Shit.
23
32.
whatever. Thank you, Falcon. Oh. Oh, where's this bloom? Gee, he is all over you.
I know, fucking little bitch. Yeah.
Oh no, it's not loaded.
Hey,
He's
this guy right
knocked. He's
here is
knocked.
white.
He's knocked. He's knocked. He's knocked.
Okay, this
He's knocked.
Last
guy
dude
right
has a
here is white. I'm
rocket
launch pad
launcher.
to him. I'm a launch
Only
pad.
one guy with a rocket launcher.
Oh shit.
There's only one
I'm
more
with
guy.
him.
Hold on, let me finish this guy. He's there.
What?
He's right here. He's right here. He's in this box. This box.
Fucking bitch, bro.
No, he's good.
He's right here. Yep. He's
Oh,
right
I
there.
targeted for 17. I got him for 17.
Building up now.
What?
Oh, where the fuck this guy's at,
No.
bro? Hey, let's go to the circle and let him come
Okay,
to us.
leave that one.
Ooh, good call.
I can't trust
Angel.
him, bro.
Yeah,
Circle,
Angel.
let him come to us. Let him come to us, dude.
Yeah.
Huh? Yes, but don't do anything to it. Don't take anything off. Go bring
Let
me.
him
Go
come to
bring
us,
my.
fuck that.
Use some mango.
Angel's gonna be pushing for
No.
sure, bro. He's up top, up top. Up top, he's all the way up top.
I got him for 33.
Ooh, I don't have this
Okay.
ammo. I don't have this AR ammo to be wasting.
Oh shit. Hold on. There you go.
Thank you.
Get that package.
I just don't want the same thing to happen that happened yesterday, bro.
Angel's right underneath him.
Try to knock it down, Angel.
Angel,
Angel, he's
right
on
here,
you.
he's
He's
right
on you,
here.
Angel. Angel, he's gonna get you. You gotta come over here.
Hey, don't worry.
He's a sweat, bro.
Gee, get that package while he's busy.
We don't need the package.
He
We
went
just
in the
need
water,
to
he's
kill
going in the
him.
water.
He's
Yeah,
building.
There might be ammo since she doesn't have any more.
Oh, Mike already gave me some. He's in the water, he's swimming in the water.
Fucking
It's
bitch,
gonna, it's
bro.
gonna be hard
He's
for him
building.
to...
He's building the whole time.
He's not gonna be able to go and come up.
Yeah, he still has to come to us because he's in the water.
No. Uh-huh.
Oh,
There you go. Let's go, boys.
Yeah, let's go.
About damn time.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.